Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a service station MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a map which are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. We just need to scroll down over here, then click over here. Then click on this link and download the map. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over here you can see this is the map of the service center which we just installed into our FiveM server. And this is the location in the map over here, as you can see. Here you will see there are lots of fuel stations in this map. And here we have a small 24/7 shop. And over here we have the area for parking, as you can see. And this is the service center over here. So this is the interior of the service center, as you can see over here. The same interior you can find on the Palito Bay. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.